Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Loot Fright unboxing. This is the second box that I have received from Loot Fright. The first one I didn't do an unboxing on camera because I just wanted to see what Loot Fright was all about. And the box was okay. The theme of my first box had the Chilling Adventures of Sabrina, and you got a Baphomet statue and a cool Sabrina mug. But I wanted to try it again, and this time I'm going to do an unboxing and show you all. So let's get it open and see what's inside. I don't remember what theme this is. It could just be completely random, but we'll soon find out. So the first thing is a teacher, and it says Masquerade, the Mask of the Red Death. So I'm not sure what the Mask of the Red Death is. This is my dad's t-shirt because I don't wear t-shirts, so that's why it's quite a large size. But I'm sure he will like that. It's a cool design, a really cool design actually. I'll have to give that a research. So that's the t-shirt. Next is this. I'm going to need scissors for this. The only scissors that I found are feathering scissors, so do you hear that? Oh, is it Cthulhu? I can never say it. Cthulhu. I have the game and it scared the shit out of me, so I gave up playing it. Okay, well, it's like a little pillow. It's a cute design though, but it's not, ain't really gonna fall asleep on that, am I? Okay, so it's a little novelty pillow. For this, I think it's a tote bag. Oh, that's cool. I like that. So I've got a feeling this is HP Lovecraft themed because that is HP Lovecraft. So it's a nice little tote bag. But I think when it comes to boxes getting things like this, I think it's just I just want to eat the bag. Let's get that right this time. When they add things like this, I think that they're doing it because it's just an extra item and they're cheap. It does not cost a lot to print something on a tote bag, but it's a cool design and I can use it for me shopping if I remember to take a bag with me. What's in your crate? Frankenstein book lamp. Okay, am I going to be disappointed or am I going to be very happy because I love Frankenstein? Oh, it's the traditional writing as well. Oh my god. So there's a little USB thing, has Loot Fright on the back, And there's a little USB lead here. Right, I'm just going to get this plugged in and then I will show you guys. I've actually got a lead plugged into my PlayStation already. Ooh! One minute, let me turn my ring light off. Oh, that's really cool. I'm scared of the dark. Well, I'm not scared of the dark, but I like a little light on when I'm asleep. So this will be really perfect for that. And it's horror themed. That's cute. I don't think it's worth £28 though. So this video wasn't a sponsored video or anything. For me to tell you to go and buy Loot Crate. It's just I was curious. I am a horror fan and I just wanted to try it. It was okay. I don't mind the stuff that I got in the box because I do like that stuff. Like H.P. Lovecraft, Cthulhu, Frankenstein. The t-shirt will be for my dad. And yeah, it's all about the mystery. So if you are going to HorrorCon UK this year, I will be there. So if you see me, do come and say hello, as long as it doesn't get cancelled because of the coronavirus that's going on at the moment. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, make sure that you like and subscribe if you want to see more of me. And if you are a continued subscriber, thank you so much. Take care of yourselves and don't forget to stay spooky.